What's going on, fellow YouTubers and fellow mechanics on YouTube? I'm at Advanced Auto Parts right now, going to pick up some brake pads, front and rear, for a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. I'm going to do that today, and I also got to figure out where this oil leak is coming from, or transmission leak. I'm not really sure. I'll figure that out. But I'm here now, going to pick up these pads, and then I also need to pick up some axle seals for a Tahoe. I got to do that today, front axle seals. So yeah, gonna go ahead, and we have a tool unboxing. I've got a few tools from Temu that I'm kind of excited to try out. They're really cheap, and I opened them up already. They seem like similar quality to like AutoZone or Harbor Freight, which I know that Harbor Freight is a Chinese-made brand, so it's probably the same thing. But I got it all for 30 bucks. And then I also got a Craftsman ratchet that I'm pretty excited about. It's a 1/4 inch, but it's really nice. So yeah, we'll go ahead and start things and see where it goes. All right, so here is our first tool, new tool. Okay. Has these hangers for the, comes with a 2-pack right here for the caliper, and it's a ratcheting, there it goes, ratcheting brake compressor, pretty cool. And here's the next one. Instruction manual, comes with gloves, which I actually need gloves. I never wear gloves. And this, pretty great. Pretty excited to try this out. And this one, this is pretty good. This is you got stripped bolts, it'll take them right out. So definitely pretty excited to try these tools. This feels pretty durable. It doesn't feel like it's cheap made. This is the one that I was most excited about, was this 180 tooth, which is actually a 90 tooth Craftsman ratchet. It's super nice. Very excited to use this. So I ended up getting this one for free because it didn't work, and I cut the circuit board and put the 2 negative wires together, and that works fine. Now I've already used it, so I know it works, so no issue there. I did have some trouble. This is a locking lug nut, and I didn't know this was in the car, and I was looking for it, so that was kind of a little situation there by itself. Thought we were out of luck. All right, let's get this thing off first. See if I can get it. There we go. Okay, so far. So far it's not powerful enough. coming off now. All right. There we go. We're good to roll on that. So we're going to use my Icon set and figure it out from there. This is 1/2 inch. I need to get my 1/2 inch out. Okay, we got our bracket off. That little metal bracket. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to use this hanger. See how well that works. Let's see. I mean, these pads aren't terrible. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna put this here, and let's see. Hang out there. Let's get on trying this new tool out. Okay, so there's that. I'll just put this one on for now. We're gonna see how this thing works. So now it seems like it's working better now. Okay. There it goes. Let's see what I'm doing. Oh, okay. Well, came back out. Let's put it back in. Okay. I'm holding the other side of that piece down while I do this because it's slipping. I mean, it works. It's just it's in there now. And then to loosen it, there we go. Yeah, it's loosened up, and this is seated in. As far as this tool, maybe I've just got to get used to this. I don't know. I don't like it right now. It's not my favorite. It is nice to have the whole ratcheting feature, but I feel like the ends are too slick. Need like rubber or something to make it a little more slip resistant, because that's the issue that I'm running into right now, is it just slips too much. So we will try our next new tool on the other side. As far as this goes, when I got it, it didn't work. There is a circuit board inside here, and there from the battery side, the terminals, there's a negative cable that goes here to the bottom of the circuit board, and then another one that goes I think it's to the top, and then it connects over to here. I just cut it from the circuit board and soldered it together. So if you pick up one of these and it's not working, or if yours ends up going bad, I can show you how to get that thing working again. I believe it was acting funny because it's been sitting in the back of the car. Because on this side it's working fine, so it must have been because it's cold out. Oh, now it's starting to do it again. Another battery. Let's see if it'll work. Okay, well, I thought it was because it was cold out. It's because the battery's dying. So, yeah, you don't get too much life out of these batteries. They don't last very long. I guess that's where a bigger battery would come in handy. Might as well go ahead and get this off. There we go. Okay, so yeah, this just goes on like this, and then you can press it in. Goes straight into there. So that works out pretty well. I've gotten so used to using my Harbor Freight one that you all have seen that somehow I forgot how these work. Let's see. Okay. Sorry, I was trying to think, because this is a dual piston. So I was trying to think about how exactly this is gonna work on it. There we go. See, this one's slipping too. I don't like that. Let's see. Here's what I can do, maybe. That might be what this is for, actually. Okay. Let's just use whatever one I got. Not that one. Probably not that one. Probably use this one. And then, this one's reverse thread. Okay. Sorry this is taking so long. I'm just trying to figure this out, really. Okay, so now I can bring in this side. And this side can go in more. Okay. Yep. That's good. So, one side for that. And another side for dual piston. Okay. Cool. Well, I mean, it works. We are compressed in. So, yeah, overall, I like the new brake compressor tool that we just used. I think it works really well. It's definitely not. It doesn't feel cheap, so definitely good equipment. I will say that. I really don't think it's any different than the other part stores. For $10, it's a pretty good deal. Oh, I can't even see me anymore. I'm gonna put the store's link for all 3 tools that I got, just so you all can go check that stuff out yourself and see if you might be interested. Yeah, so overall, I think that this toolkit is really awesome. Like I said, I'll put the store links in the description so you can check it out. Yeah. All right, well, I think that about does it for this video. I was excited to show you all the new tools, test them out, you know, to see how everything works. I think right now my favorite is the brake kit, the blue brake kit. Not the rationing one, but the whole set. I think that right now is my favorite one. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. In the next month, I want to do a giveaway. So if you want to be a part of that giveaway, please like and subscribe, comment, and we'll see what we can give away. It's not going to be anything like crazy, but it'll probably be like something from Harbor Freight, just to start out. But once the channel grows and I'm making money off the channel, and I can afford to do that, then I will start doing really big giveaways. So thank you.